Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You want to begin charging now. First, confirm your phone supports Qi and remove thick or metal cases. Once done, turn the Tucson ignition to ACC or on so the wireless pad is powered. Next, enable your phone's wireless charging if it has a toggle and place the device camera side up, centered on the pad. Make sure nothing else sits on the pad. Doing this locks in alignment and power quickly, so charging can begin without delay. Once the phone is placed, make small adjustments until the pad's LED or your phone's battery icon shows charging. You'll notice a chime or vibration. That confirms coil alignment. If charging is intermittent, lift and reseat the phone, then nudge a few millimeters forward or back. While it charges, keep the phone flat and stable. Motion or stacked items can break the connection. Also, make sure vents aren't blocked so heat can dissipate while charging. When you finish, remove the phone and stow any loose items so the pad stays clean. If the phone doesn't charge, make sure the case isn't too thick or metal. Wipe the pad clean, confirm the ignition is in ACC/on, and check the accessory fuse if nothing powers the pad. If the phone overheats, stop charging, let it cool for a few minutes, then try again. High temperature reduces efficiency and may pause wireless charging automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.